This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Remmy Decor interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, skylight, awning, slideout, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, TV antenna, air conditioning, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Spartan 450 HP chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.